pick that?
I don't know if I can.
Yes, get a hold of it. Looky there!
It grew.
What you got?
The tomato.
Hey, there's, what's that right yonder? Over here. Come over here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you get in there and get it?
I got it right here.
All right! Squat.
See if I can find.
Reach right there. Grab hold of that.
Pull it up.
It's a carrot.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's a whole carrot.
A whole carrot.
It's a carrot. It's not ready still.
Well, they might be. They can be eaten.
What is it?
A watermelon. It's not ready though.
No, it's not ready yet.
It's gotta be ready.
You like watermelon?
Nah.
No?
There might be some squash around here. You see any? Oh, look!